Anyway, like I was saying, as I can see over the time, you feel me, I was able to do a few small things. So now that it's 2026, I would like to go over all this shit. Anyway, I just wanted to show y'all boys another quick visual of what the fuck we been on. Now, this is my thing. I don't necessarily need this to be 1,000% perfect, bro. I just want it good enough to where this is my baby, bro. Like, you know, like, hands on. I send it all this down. For them sprayed this for me. I done cleaned it off, you feel me? I done sanded it down again. My seats is taken out from the inside. But I really just wanted to, like, highlight this right here, bro. Because this is step 3. You feel me? We finally on, we moving up steps in the world, fellas. We moving the fuck up in the world, fellas. Hey, brother, what you gotta say, bro? Come stand in front of Chevy, bro.
Man, y'all see how it is. Man, look, I can do like this now. No dirt.
Yeah.
Right there. You know what I'm saying? Chilling with the box Chevy and shit, man. Hey, I see, man. I wish I had a wood and Thraga right now, man. If I had a Thraga, man, this would have been a good little moment, man. You know what I'm saying? She looked good, man. Man, the old days, man. I'm really on the ground, man. Just thinking about when we went to go get her and shit, man. How she used to look. Man, now look at this shit, man. Came a long motherfucking way, man. Look at this shit. Look.
Alright, y'all, let me need be, bro.
Everybody gonna be here.
I got my goddamn Rust-Oleum and my pro-grade Rust-Oleum, feel what I'm saying? I ain't trying to get my boy face, just know he working hard, you feel me? How much I'm working with, my boy?
30, 49, bro.
30. Damn. 30, 49.
Right. Yeah, the number, what is that? Worry about it.
Nah, don't worry about it.
All right.
I'm going ahead and skip that. See what they say, 30, 49.
You want a bad, bro?
Yeah, please, man. 30, 49. 30, 49.
You want that receipt?
Yeah. You see it yourself, fellas. You feel me? We good. We good. Hey, listen, gang. Yes, I do drive with 2 feet, bitch. Pay attention. But listen, gang. Niggas say, oh, bro, you need 10K to get a box Chevy. I ain't gonna lie. I don't think I spent over anything that they said, right? So this is particularly what I'm saying. So this is particularly what I'm saying. I'm saying that anything is possible with resources and a good mind, bro. You feel me? Don't let these niggas try to tell you you need 50K, 100K to get a box Chevy and work on the game. Because at the end of the day, it's your car. You gonna do what you want to do with it. You gonna make your own decisions with it, bro. My only advice is start out with a car that run and drive, bro. Feel me? Because I'll be damned if I buy a car that at least don't oh, okay, I'm working with something. Oh shit, put that on my trailer. You feel me? Don't be buying cars that, you know what I'm saying, at least get you something that run and drive, even if it's a little bit. That would literally be my only advice. And a good body, you feel me? And not a lot of rest. So that's three advices, bro. Feel me? And my thing is, nigga, first of all, bro, if you feel like you need, that's like, nigga, if I had needed 100,000, I would have just went to go buy me a Hellcat. Feel me? I'm not saying I'm a backyard worker, but shit, nigga, I've been doing this shit in my driveway with the guys and shit. You feel me? And if it's, to me, if it's that simple, bro, then you feel me? Bro, if it's that simple, bro, to just do this shit in your driveway, bro, because you love it, bro, do it, gang. Don't be listening to these niggas, bro. You do this shit because you got a passion for it, bro. Honestly, I'm not even doing this shit to get rich. I'm doing this shit because I love cars, and I want to show this shit to my kids later on. You feel me? Like, for the love of it, bro. The money will come later when you love something. Feel me? I see it like that. Like, for the love of this shit, look how far I came, bro. I'm telling you. I'm not a rich person by any means necessary. But what I will say is, nigga, with goals and shit, bro, on my mother, but you can figure anything out. Cause I ain't gonna lie, my nigga, nigga, anything is possible down there. I feel like niggas just gotta see that as such, though. Niggas don't be seeing that as such, bro. That's my only message, gang. And don't be lame. I got a few knickknacks and paddywhacks, auntie. We're gonna get it right, though. Yeah, we're gonna get it right, though. Alright, Scuds. Feel me? So, before it rain, I'm gonna go over everything that was done. So, y'all remember in the beginning, about 9, 10, however many months ago. It's been like a year now, some change, right? I can't remember the correct dates and deets and shit. This was regular blue. Feel me? It was all the regular, the same. Feel me? Yeah. I got a few, knickknacks and whammies, you feel me? I also spray my undercarriage a little bit. I got Rust-Oleum and shit. I sprayed my rims. Feel me? I spray painted the front. I gotta get some new D's right here. Do a trim. But as y'all can see, all this shit gray. Feel me? Got the leaves and the shit. Just a little first primer spray. Shout out to the new tattoos as well on Kenny David. Feel me? Yep, I need something for the back too. Feel me? I ain't sprayed this part. Feel me? oversprays. It's the first coat, you feel me? We're gonna flat. That's really all that's making it look janky. This spot right here. Y'all, if y'all remember what was here the last time, it is now fixed to its best ability. We're gonna sand it, feather it down, and make it smooth. Feel me? It's a lot to do. It's a lot to do. Next, and give me a week and a half or two, fellas. I'm gonna have some more shit in stock for y'all. Feel me? That's for now. This is crazy, Doug. I've been putting some progress down, man. I've been putting some progress down. Don't y'all worry about it. I've been putting some progress down. More progress will be made on King David.